So I wanted to show you this Dynaplug compressor that just plugs right into your battery tender pigtail here. Once you're out on the road, you may want to air down your tires for traction, or if you need to fix a flat, and then air up your tube. This is really useful out on the road. So basically you just plug this in. There are clear instructions in this baby, but you just get it connected to your battery, and you can gas up your tires. It's pretty cool. Okay, and then as you can see, it can reach the front tire here. There's a Schrader valve right here, so you can check pressure as you go, and then you just hit this button to fire it up. My tires are low by a couple of pounds, so I'm gonna see if we can get them up to 36 and 41 on the 36 on the front, 41 on the back. Yeah, easy enough. It did 36 on the front, easy. This one's going quick too, and seems like a great thing to have on the road. So that pigtail we installed works for both the compressor and the maintainer. So right now it's charging, and then once it's topped off, it'll just maintain. The other thing I wanted to show you is this lock here by Xena. It's there's a centimeter thick bolt that goes straight through the brake here, and then it also has a alarm. Let's see if somebody just tries to mess with it. I think, yeah, now it's gonna go off, and unless you hit it with the key, it's just gonna be super loud. Yeah, it really hurts. Okay, bye.